Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll walk you through setting up a secure SSL connection using the SSH Max service together with the HTTP custom app. This step-by-step guide will help you protect your online privacy and enjoy a safer browsing experience. Let's get started. First, open any web browser and go to the SSH Max website. Once there, tap the menu button and select Services, then choose SSL Servers. Next, choose a server location that suits your needs and tap Select Server. Create your account by entering a unique username and password. Complete the reCAPTCHA verification to confirm you're human, then tap Create. After your server is created, download and install the HTTP custom app from your App Store. Open the HTTP custom app and enable the SSL checkbox. In the SSL settings section, enter the hostname or IP address of your SSL server. Enter the correct port number, which is usually 443. Input the username and password you used when creating your server. Next, tap the hamburger icon in the top left corner and scroll down to Utility. Select SNI and enter a valid domain that either matches your SSL server or is an allowed host. Press OK to save. Make sure the connection type is set to SSL and verify that the host header matches the SNI you entered. Finally, tap the Connect button to establish your secured connection. And that's it. You're now connected securely using HTTP custom with SSH Max SSL servers. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more helpful content, and join our Telegram and WhatsApp communities. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching.